Hey guys, Brian here. I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of the new Caliburn.Micro Xamarin.Forms template that I just uploaded to the Visual Studio Gallery. If you've never installed an add-in before, it's actually pretty easy. We just say Tools, Extension and Updates, and in the dialog that appears, we're just going to select Online, and in the Visual Studio Marketplace, we'll use this search box here to type in Xamarin.Forms with Caliburn.Micro. And hopefully the first result that comes back should be mine. As you can see, I already have this one installed, so let's give it a quick run. To start, I'll say File, New Project, and I will, under C# scroll down. You can see here this says Xamarin.Forms with Caliburn.Micro. That's my template. I'll leave the default name of App 1. And this is going to create a set of new projects adding to your solution. Very similar to the ones that ship with Xamarin.Forms. The only main difference here is that I've included all the boilerplate logic for Android, iOS, and UWP to run under Caliburn.Micro. So this includes the Bootstrap classes that exist under the app XAML, and primarily the view and view model folders that follow a convention. So for every main view model, I have a main view. So if we were to run this right now, we would see this default content page with this single label on here, which is backed by this main view model, which should say Hello World via Caliburn.Micro. One of the fun things that I've included in this template is I've included a property expansion snippet. That if I type prop VM and hit tab twice, this is going to create a new property with a backing field that leverages Caliburn.Micro's set method. So I can change the field name here. We'll just call this first name. And there you go. I'm able to create a new property very quickly. This is something I use in my view models all the time. The other thing I use in my MVVM projects all the time are views and view models. And so I've created an item template for that as well. So if we say File, New, Item, and under C#, you'll scroll down. You should see Xamarin View and View Models. This will actually create the view and the view model at the same time for you under that naming convention. So I'll call this Customer. And this is going to create a customer view model and a corresponding customer view. So there you have it. There's a very simple template that allows you to quickly add new items to your project and quickly add properties to your view models. Maybe the future version of this template, I'll maybe have a dialog that lets you select whether this should be a data entry form or a list of data. And I can pre-populate the view models with the information on that. And I can probably populate some of these folders here, like with the behaviors and controls and converters, things that I normally use in my projects, maybe even the navigation customizations that I've done. So there's lots more to do here. Feel free to leave a comment on this video, or download the add-in from the Visual Studio Gallery and give it a rating. I'd really appreciate that. And otherwise, look for updates on my blog at briancook.net. Anyway, have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.